Hey guys, what is up? Dodatech here, and today I'm going to be bringing you my gaming PC for $500. Now, this PC is for people who are maybe coming for a console and want to try out PC gaming. So, yeah, let's get started. For our processor, we're going to be using an Intel Core i3-3220 clocked at 3.5 GHz. Now, this is a dual-core processor, and it's on the LGA 1155 socket. And for $130, this is going to have some great power, and yeah. To house our CPU and all the other parts, we're using the ASRock B75M. This is a LGA 1155 board, so it's going to work with our processor. It's got SATA 3, 6 gigabits per second, USB 3, and it's a micro ATX board, and you get all this for $50. For our memory, we're going to be using PNY XLR8. Now this is 8 gigabytes of DDR3 memory, and it's clocked at 1600 megahertz, so yeah, it's great memory for only $64. For our hard drive, we're going to be using a Western Digital Caviar Blue. Now, this is a 500 gigabyte hard drive. If you want to, you can bump it up to a 1 terabyte. And it's 7200 RPM. This is a mechanical hard drive, and you get a lot of storage for $60. For our graphics card, we're going to be using an ASUS Radeon HD 7750. Now this has 1 gigabyte of GDDR5 memory. You can also get the 2 gigabyte version, but that was a little bit too expensive for this build. It only draws 75 watts from your power supply, so it's really low power. It draws all its power from the motherboard as well, so you don't need a lead or two from the power supply. And it's got a DVI, HDMI, and a DisplayPort connector on the back, so you can have basically all the monitor connectors you need for only $110. To power our build, we're going to be using Corsair CX430. This is 430 watts. It's a little bit smaller than a standard ATX power supply, so you're going to have a bit more room to house cables, because this is a non-modular power supply. If you wanted to go with something modular, you might have to spend a little bit more. And because this is Corsair, you have that great Corsair build quality for only $50. And to house all this, you can choose anything you want, just make sure it's big enough and has the appropriate things you need. But for this build, we're going to be using the Fractal Design Core 1000. Now this has great airflow. It's got, due to that 120mm fan on the front. It's a micro ATX case, so it's big enough, and it looks really awesome. It's quite understated, that's why I like it, and it's only $40. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to, check out some of my other builds here. And don't forget to check out my channel and subscribe. Link's right on screen right now. So, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.